All right, last lesson of the chapter, preparing payroll checks. We have a payroll checking account and actually writing employee payroll checks. Payroll bank account. A voucher check has a detachable check stub or voucher that contains detailed information about the cash payment. When you get paid, that stub gives you all the details of what's on that check. So ThreeGreen products, your check number, it's First American Bank, so they're depositing all payroll into the bank. Okay, this is payroll for every employee, and it gets sent to the bank. Prepare the check stub, payee, dates, description, payroll, the total amount, and then prepare the check from the information on the stub. Yes, 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 yes. And now the employee gets paid. So here you see all the details. Federal income tax withheld, Social Security tax withheld, Medicare tax withheld, health insurance, retirement. So current, this is during this pay period, and then year to date as they add it all together. What they earned, so regular overtime. So you have current total earnings, and then year-to-date total earnings. So current total earnings, then they're going to subtract out the deductions, and this would be your net pay, right? Net pay just for this pay period, which would be that amount right there. Payroll register gets, and the time card gets entered in here, like I said, year-to-date total earnings, all the deductions, year-to-date total deductions, and then total and current year-to-date deductions. Calculate the entire amounts for current and year-to-date net pay. Prepare prepare each employee's payroll check payable for the amount of net pay. Electronic funds transfer. Most companies pay this way. You don't get an actual check anymore. It gets deposited directly to your checking account. The payment of an employee's net pay using electronic funds transfer is called a direct deposit. You'll still get a piece of paper detailing everything that got deposited, but you won't get a physical check anymore to go to the bank with. It gets directly deposited into your bank account. And that's it. Why does ThreeGreen have a separate checking account for payroll checks? 2 reasons. A separate checking account is used to help protect and control payroll payments. And then payroll checks require space to record earnings and deduction information. What is the source of the information that is recorded on each employee's payroll check voucher? The payroll register is the source. The employee earnings records and prior pay period paycheck stubs. That's a lot of P's. How do payroll procedures differ for employees who request direct deposit of their pay? They're not really that different, except each employee's net pay is deposited to his or her bank account. Individual checks are not written and do not have to be distributed. However, each direct deposit employee will receive a printed or electronic statement of earnings and deductions that supports the amount deposited. Here at Shiloh, everything gets direct deposited, and my pay stub gets emailed to me. It's password protected, which is nice, but I don't have any paper, which is nice. And that's it. Quick one.